Hello everyone, it's Claire. Welcome to my channel. I do hope you are well. Today I'm going to show you how I make a wire wrapped ring. Now the tools that I have today are some round nose pliers, some cutters for cutting the wire, flat nose pliers, ring mandrel. I'm going to be using 0.8mm silver wire that's copper, and this has copper inside, and a ruler, and this is a ring mandrel. Now you do not need to use a ring mandrel, you can use anything that's similar for a finger size. You can use copper pipes, you can use, if you take a look at this bottle, you can use this lid. This one's a bit wider. So have a look around the home. So do not go out and purchase one thinking I need one to make rings. Now I personally use British size and US sizes. I don't actually send to European countries. I used to, but it's so much faff now since we left the EU, and it's really just not worth it. So I just send to USA, Canada, and obviously here in the UK. And I've also got some 8mm beads. Here is one that I made earlier. So I'm going to use the green bead today. Now some ring mandrels do actually have a small hole for putting your beads in when you're doing your wire wrapping, and if I had chance to buy another one of these, I would definitely go for the one that has the small hole. We have US sizes that go up to 15 A to Z for British sizes. So what I'm going to do is measure 10 inches of wire. And take my cutters. It's a little bit bent. I just try and straighten it out. Straighten out as best that you can. Now take the center, pop what you're using. I'm going to put the bead onto the back, and I am going to make what would be a pea size here in the UK, which is just under an 8 for US sizes. So I'm holding the bead on the back. Again, if you had a ring mandrel with the hole, it makes it so much easier. As you work on them, they do get tighter. So I will aim to go in between the P and the Q. So what we do, we're going to bend this one around here. We have that at the moment. I'm hoping you can see. Then we take this one and we go around this way. So what we're doing is we're bringing the wire around, and we want to go around this way, and then this one this way. And we want to keep these together. can always just use your pliers, put them together, but this is very loose at the moment, so don't worry. Just pull it nice and tight. So we've got one up there and we have one down here. And you want to make sure that you have an even length of wire on both sides. You can give them a pull with your pliers. Make sure they're nice and tight. I'm just going to turn this around, and it's still, I know it's hard for you to see, but it's still in between the P and the Q. But it will get tighter when you start to wrap the ring. So what we are going to do is we take this one and we wrap it around this way, and then we take this one and then we wrap it around this way. That is what it looks like. If it helps. If I push it down, it has tightened up. So we take it off the mandrel. And then what we are going to do is wrap this around a couple of times, and the same for this one. I'm going to take my flat nose pliers and I'm going to bend round. Pull. You just adjust as you go. And again, I'm going to go around, so I'm going to bend and pull through. Need to bend that round more. And as you go, just adjust. Again, I'm going to bend it. Can you see that's that one, like that? And just push it together. Now before I cut this one, now what I'm going to do is I've gone around, turn it a little bit more, and then we cut that off. Now I'm going to take my round nose pliers to completely get the bend. There we go. As you start doing them, you'll get a feel for them, and that's not rough now. And the same goes for this side. Taking it around. We're now going to Again, make sure these are not twisted. And then start to bend. When you're just starting out, this is why I say to use just a cheap wire, to use an inexpensive plated wire, copper, just so you get the feel for the rings. And then in no time you'll be able to make them very quickly. So it's just moving everything around. Just going to take these. This is why you have to have the same length of wire both sides. Put those together. Let me just use this to adjust, to bring it together. So I'm going to pull this one. There we have 2 rings. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.